Hello everyone, my name is Bagus. You might also know me as Peter on my cooking channel. Today, I'm gonna share my experience with the Bankit program. In Bankit, even the non-ID majors find the learning experience enjoyable. Bankit provides safe space for everyone to improve. There's three learning study paths available at Bankit: machine learning, cloud computing, and mobile development. I took the machine learning path because the idea of teachable machine is amazing to me. It helps researchers finding patterns and forecast their future. It even helps everyday people with many things like finding the closest distance to places and the traffic density to that place, recommending content to watch or item to buy, and many more. For me, to be enrolled at Bankit is a great opportunity to learn more about machine learning. The course is not hard to comprehend, which allow me, who were having a limited knowledge in coding back then, to participate in the program. I have a good time in Bankit, and you should enroll if you like machine learning and have vision on it. It also applies to the other learning path. Bankit 2024 Batch 1 is now open. Click the link in the description for the registration link. Thank you for the listening. My great experience and see you next time.